Now I'll give you an idea about how to write Calcarea carp female and Calcarea carp baby. First, let us talk about Calcarea carp female. You see, Calcarea carp female, I'm giving you a specific format. You have to fill up the format according to my previous lectures. Got it? So, first Calcarea carp female, the first paragraph is going to be about the constitution. The constitution matlab specifically the looks of the patient, the thermal state of the patient. Got it? The looks are very simple. You can always remember fair, fat and flabby, thermal state, chilly patient, big head. You can always say if it is, a large head. Got it? So dash 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 whatever you know about the constitution, as I have already told you. Second paragraph will be constituted, or second paragraph consists of all the leading guiding symptoms. I am repeating. Paragraph 1, the constitution, that is the appearance, the thermal state of the lady. Second, paragraph 2 will be leading guiding symptoms. Whatever you know, whatever you remember about the Calcarea carp patient as such. ગાઇડિંગ સિમ્ટમ મેં તમને 8થી 10 લખાવ્યા છે, સમજાવ્યા છે. તો એ પ્રમાણે ધ કોન્સ્ટિપેશન, ધ પર્સ્પિરેશન, ધ ડિઝાયર્સ, ધ મેન્સ્ટ્રુઅલ હિસ્ટ્રી, etc. etc. The menstrual history जैसे first menses is always early and the subsequent all the menses are late. Calcarea carp એનું મેનાર્કી વહેલું હોય, બરાબર, પણ પછી એના પછીના જે મંથલી સાયકલ્સ હોય તે હંમેશા લેટ હોય. The leukorrhea of Calcarea. The leukorrhea of Calcarea is again, it is a very important drug for leukorrhea in small children or in young girls. Again, Calcarea is very important for leukorrhea in small children. Leukorrhea is acrid and it is whitish in color. The leukorrhea is again acrid and it is whitish in color. The menses returns on least mental excitement. Okay, so you have to write down this many symptoms, the guiding symptoms, the menstrual history, the leukorrhea in paragraph 2. Paragraph 3 will consist of the mental symptoms. All that you know about the mental symptoms. You have to change the understanding. अगर तुम Calcarea baby लिख रहे हो तो you have to specify about the baby. Now when you write down Calcarea carp female, तो female always is fearful, female is always having lack of self-confidence, she is timid, she is shy, बराबर. This is how you change the mental understanding. Got it? So Calcarea carp female are overgrown females. They are the ladies who are overgrown, more than their age. The weight, the body weight is more. They are fair, fat and flabby, as I told you. Barabar? But mentally the maturity doesn't match. So the mental symptoms you write down in paragraph number 3. And finally, paragraph number 4, it only includes the general aggravation and amelioration. I am repeating, general aggravation and amelioration. Since I told you Calcarea is a chilly remedy. Got it? Calcarea is a chilly remedy. So chilly patients hai, तो फिर aggravation cold food, aggravation cold drink, okay, aggravation cold atmosphere. So this is what it is. And amelioration by lying on the painful side. So this is all about the Calcarea carp female. I'm repeating. સૌથી પહેલું કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન એટલે એનો દેખાવ, એનું બંધારણ, એનું એપિયરન્સ, એની સાથે એની થર્મલ સ્ટેટ લઈ લેવાય. પછી એના લીડિંગ ગાઇડિંગ સિમ્ટમ્સ જે બી તમને કેલ્કેરિયાના યાદ છે, જેમ કે કોન્સ્ટિપેટેડ, એની લેડી હુ કમ્સ વિથ ધ ચીફ કમ્પ્લેન ઓફ કોન્સ્ટિપેશન, બરાબર, शी कुड बी कैल्केरिया. देर आर मेनी अदर ड्रग्स फॉर कॉन्स्टिपेशन, बट अगर यू फाइंड हर फेर, फेट एंड फ्लैबी, हैविंग मेन्स्ट्रुअल एबनॉर्मालिटी, बराबर, अने एने कॉन्स्टिपेशन होय, अने चिली होय, तो कदाच ए पेशન્ટ कैल्केरिया होई शके અને એને કેલ્કેરિયા આપો કોન્સ્ટિપેશન માટે તો રિઝલ્ટ આવી બી શકે. સો ધીસ બિકમ્સ ધ સેકન્ડ પેરાગ્રાફ, લીડિંગ ગાઇડિંગ સિમ્ટમ્સ. એન્ડ ફાઇનલી third paragraph, mental symptoms, you understand the mental symptoms, and fourth is general aggravation and amelioration. Now we go to the Calcarea carp child. Calcarea carp child બહુ જ ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી પૂછાય જ. તમને Calcarea baby આવડવું જ જોઈએ. After I have taught you so many things about Calcarea, I think you should come to a conclusion, or you should understand that the drug picture, the total symptoms resemble what age group? It resembles a child. छोटे बच्चे को ये डिपिक्ट करता है। अगर आप ये सब समझो, कौन सा ऐसा इंडिविजुअल है, बराबर, जिसको कंपनी हमेशा चाहिए, बराबर, जिसके बोन डेवलपमेंट लेट होते हैं, बराबर, हु इज़ वरीड अबाउट व्हाट अदर्स थिंक अबाउट देम, हु इज़ वेरी शाई, बराबर, हु वॉन्ट्स कोल्ड फूड एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स बट इज एग्रवेटेड बाय देम, डैश 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 डैश. So you see, when you understand everything together, you can come to a conclusion that Calcarea carb drug is predominantly a pediatric drug. छोटे बच्चों की दवाई है, बराबर. तो आपको सबसे पहले कैल्केरिया कार्ब चाइल्ड तो आना ही चाहिए. A child who is passing through difficult dentition is the first most important line of Calcarea carb baby. Second thing, as I told you, when you write down Calcarea carb baby, what is very important? Calcarea, calcium. Calcium is a very important component of the bones. Got it? So again, the predominant action is on the bones. So what happens? Here you write down the appearance of the baby. As I told you in female also, in babies also, you write down predominantly appearance of the baby. It is mainly suited to weak bones. Delayed dentition. It is suited to weak bones. બરાબર. appearance કેવું છે? fair, fat and flabby છે, irrespective of any age. 1 year age, 4 year age, 7 year age, 10 year age, whatever. But the child appearance is what? Fair, fat and flabby, a distended abdomen as if an inverted saucer is placed, वगैरह वगैरह. Got it? Very cold to touch, chilly patience, बराबर, perspires very easily. These are the physical, I mean the appearance. This is what the child looks like. The first thing, बराबर. Second thing you write down is the mental symptoms of the baby. Got it? The mental symptoms as well as the guiding symptoms. Mental symptoms as well as the guiding symptom. The child is who is very fearful. There are, look, if you see different children, you have different mental pictures. बराबर. जैसे मैं हमेशा समझाती हूँ, साइलिशिया, इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट चाइल्ड विद लॉट्स ऑफ एंटिसिपेटरी एंजाइटी. कैल्केरिया कार्ब इज़ अ स्लो स्लगिश टाइप ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, बराबर. मेंटली रिटार्डेड, थोड़ा इडियोटिक है, थोड़ा मेंटली डेफिशिएंट है ना. तो दिस इज द सेकेंड चाइल्ड, बराबर. बराइटा इज अ स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्गर वर्जन ऑफ कैल्केरिया, स्टिल मोर स्टूपिड चाइल्ड. Sulfur child, I tell you, a very dirty looking child who looks as if he or she is unwashed or has not bathed for years together. बराबर. Carcinosin child, a very artistic child. बराबर. So as I tell you, different when you come across different drugs. Cinna child, how does he look? बराबर. Lean, thin, emaciated, sunken eyeballs, dark spots around the corner of the mouth. Got it? Different children have different appearance, mental as well as physical. So calcaria, you have to put down all the mental symptoms in reference to the appearance of the child as well as the behavior of the child. Fearful child, timid child, shy child, lack of self-confidence, wants company, wants to be magnetized, वगैरह वगैरह. Idiotic children, बराबर, who are mentally very deficient. As well as the guiding symptoms, the cravings, બરાબર. શું ખાય છે કેલ્કેરિયા? જીઓફેજિયા છે, અનડાઇજેસ્ટેબલ થિંગ્સ છે, બરાબર. ક્રેવિંગ ફોર એગ્સ છે, બરાબર. અગેન કોન્સ્ટિપેટેડ છે, પ્રોફ્યુઝ પરસ્પિરેશન છે, ડેશ ડેશ ડેશ. યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ ડાઉન. आफ्टर दिस यू मेंशन द बोन सिम्टम्स, बराबर. पैराग्राफ नंबर 3, हेडिंग होगा बोन सिम्टम्स. बोन्स आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. येस, डेफिनेटली. डेफिशिएंट बोन, बराबर. कंप्लेन्स ऑफ डेफिशिएंट बोन डेवलपमेंट. This becomes the third part of calcarea drug. So calcarea child, again long bones are weak, they are curved, open sutures and fontanelle, late closing of the fontanelles, delayed milestones, બરાબર. મેં તમને આગળ બી કીધેલું, ઓલ કેલ્કેરિયાસ કેવા બેસે? ખૂંધા બેસે. એ લોકોના લોંગ બોન્સ કેવા હોય? કર્વડ હોય, bow legged હોય. The child has delayed milestones. In such is, you can see it in the way like delayed walking, delayed talking, late in walking, late in talking, બરાબર. એને 1.5 વર્ષનો થયા પણ એનો દાંત જ નહીં આવ્યો હોય. કેમ? તો કે નોર્મલ ડેન્ટિશન તો 6 મહિના પર ડેવલપ થવા માંડે, બરાબર. 6 મહિને 7 મહિને તો એને ડેન્ટિશન આવી જાય. પણ કેલ્કેરિયાસ હેવ ડિલેડ ડેન્ટિશન. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ઇટ. 1 साल तक, 10 महीना और 12 महीने तक तो बच्चा चलने लगता है, विद सपोर्ट, विदाउट सपोर्ट, तो ये बच्चा भी खड़ा भी नहीं होता है. तो अगेन दिस बिकम्स कैलकेरिया. So weak bones, because of the weak bones, the child does not develop. So this is the second part. Then further you can add whatever information you have about calcarea. All discharges are sour, profuse perspiration, constipated, no desire to pass stool. Whatever you have, you can put it into this. And finally, after you have included the guiding symptom also, you write down or sum up with general aggravation and amelioration. General aggravation, as I tell you, a shortcut to remember, the patient is always chilly. So aggravation cold and amelioration by lying on the painful side. I am repeating, calcarea car baby સૌથી પહેલું તમારે appearance લખવાનું, એનો દેખાવ લખવાનો, પછી એના mental symptoms લખો, પછી એના bone symptoms લખો. બોન સિમ્ટમ્સ લખાઈ જાય એના પછી તમારે લખવાના ડિલેડ બોન સિમ્ટમ્સમાં ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ શું આવશે? ડિલેડ માઇલસ્ટોન્સવાળું બધું જ આવી જશે. લેટ ઇન વોકિંગ, લેટ ઇન ટોકિંગ, એ બધું આવી જશે. એના પછી આવશે ગાઇડિંગ સિમ્ટમ્સ, લીડિંગ ગાઇડિંગ સિમ્ટમ્સ. વોટ એવર યુ નો અબાઉટ, you have to write down and sum it up with aggravation and amelioration. So this is all about calcarea car baby. I hope you have understood. So calcarea mentals is over, calcarea female is over, and calcarea car baby is over. Try to make your own notes from all this information. I will help you out after the vacation is over. We'll meet. So don't worry if you have understood how less. I'll try to revise it over and over when we meet again. Okay, chalo, best luck, take care.